It's me again, of course. Okay, first I'm gonna talk about relationships because I am currently in one. Thank God, and I love my boyfriend to death. You know, so first you gotta actually care for the person, not have a boyfriend or girlfriend because you want. Don't just be desperate enough to go after people. Like, oh, you out with me? No, that is retarded. Who does that? And you're just going to break their hearts. It's retarded. So don't do that, first of all. And you gotta know the person. You can't just meet them and be like, oh, he's not with me. No. Just no. They will end up breaking your heart. Well, and so if you won't really like them, you think you do, because they might be popular and stuff. No, that's not. You just like them because they're popular. They may be pretty and all, but most of them are just smarts who don't actually care. And if you're popular, no offense to you, you may be really nice, but that's just how most people are if you're popular. I don't know what else to say besides, like, you gotta actually care for the person, and you can't actually just date them to be dating. My boyfriend also has a YouTube channel. I may link him in the description of the video right now. I am kind of a jerk, but, you know. Who isn't at their first time with YouTube? Smart Weaver. Yeah.